Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. I'm working with the June kits and today is Sketch Friday and the sketch is from Lisa and she wanted to have a cute paper pieced animal. There's also a little receipt on the sketch. Paper pieced animal, cut files, and I don't know. So I got a new tattoo, a very bright and colorful octopus on my left shoulder, and I also have a cute stuffed octopus right behind me on that picture. And so my idea was to create a orange octopus as a main focus on my layout, and it's just as cute as an some octopus arms can be, So I grabbed the orange cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit, and I did some pre-work just because this took me quite a while to get all of these arms like I want to have them with the curls and the waves and the way they're looking, So then I started to think about how I want to build up my octopus arms. Yeah. So I'm just cutting out the shape from that one of the arms. Then I'm grabbing the primer watercolor set you can see on the left side. We got that one I believe 2 years ago in the color kit, and ta-da, look at that. It's just gorgeous. I also colored a piece of white paper in orange and yellow tones for my paper quilling details on that on the arms, and look, I am so in love. And this took me a few hours just because I don't know, it took so much time, but yeah, I did it, I made it, and I am totally in love. So because of the big main octopus on my layout, I just wanted to add a few bits and pieces. And so I knew I wanted to bring in two magical colors for my background. And my title is a mix from different fonts and words. And the word greatest is from the Chimel thickers, I believe. The word octopus I'm writing right now is from the, I believe that's Pink Paisley. And then I will also bring in the word adventure from the Heidi Swapp sticker book. So it's a mix of different types of fonts and colors and texture, and I really love that. I spent quite a time on looking through that gorgeous big sticker book from Heidi Swapp. So I cut out most of the part because I was just flipping through the pages, and I just grabbed a few bits and pieces, but it was very hard to narrow that down. So there was a word yay and a bright pink circle, and they are also from the sticker book. Now I'm working on my background, a little bit of mixed media, and I will go with some bubbles and some circle stems, and just to stay in the ocean vibes, with some bubbles and different blue tones, and I just had the best of time, and I really love how this is coming together. I'm not that orange person, and I was thinking about changing the color from that octopus, but I wanted to have I just wanted to have it orange and bright, and so I'm going with it, and I totally love it. So this is just an acrylic ink bottle, and I'm using the bottle for stamping, and I love the messiness. And then I will grab a smaller little sequin container that's also in a round shape, and I will stamp with that one too. The background was I don't know, I changed a few things, I believe 3 or 4 times, just because I did not have enough from the stems, and I wanted to spread out the color more to the right side, and I wanted to fill some of the circles. And here you can see this is time later, and I really love how this is coming together. I love the different blue tones, and the blue tones are also in my picture, and so I thought everything is just perfectly matching today. Yeah, and now I believe I will add a piece of paper behind my picture, a purple one that was, it's a pocket life card, and I'm just using that because of the color, and I have some pink on my title, and there is some purple in the tattoo on my arm, and so I was just looking for some colors I could add. So now I know I will also bring in some blue thread, and here you can see I just added some more stems to the right side. I have also added two Vicky Boughton flowers to that cluster or that paper in my picture behind that octopus. And I just wanted to have some pink and some orange peeking out from that side, and so I had some leftover flowers, just the half of it, and it's not a big difference, but I love the touch of pink on that side. So now I will just add my title, and yeah, I really love how this is looking so far, and I'm totally happy. And I'm so my voice is not happy. I know. I just went. I just came home from my work, from my night shift, and I'm quite tired. And it's totally hot here, and so oh yeah, I'm ready for the pool right now, and it's just 8 a.m. So so my title is glued down, and now I'm bringing in some chipboard stickers from Vicky Boughton. And I have also stick down the orange circle with the white heart on the left side, but I would change that. I will go with some stars instead, and I will grab the stars from the Shimel sticker sheet. And I just love the pop of that iridescent silver looking little details. And I will also bring in a puffy sticker, I believe, one or maybe two. This one is Love This, and it's that very dark purple shade, and I'm just sticking it right over the picture. And but I believe I will only use one, and then I will grab the stars, but maybe I will just bring in my journaling before. No, I'm not. So I'm grabbing these gorgeous wonky shaped stars, and I'm just adding a bunch of them. And I believe then I will add my journaling, but I will do that off camera. And my final little touches are some pink splatters, and I'm using the magical powder from the color kit for that. But now my journaling, yeah, and yeah, and that's it. And I am totally in love, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this process and this little video. And yeah, thanks so much for stopping by. Wish you all a great weekend, and check out the member forum for the sketch and for all of the other layouts. And that's it. Thank you and bye.